Okay, so we're back. We were going to continue working on the CL, but some unfortunate things have happened to the CL, so it's going to have to go to the junkyard. And it's currently on jack stands again. I took the rims and tires off, and I gave those to Thomas because, get that metal out of the way, whatever that is. Don't need to break any more tires. So I gave Thomas the rims and tires because they were 16s, and this is the same offset and everything as his 6th gen Accord. This would be like based on a 5th gen Accord. So I gave him those, and he gave me his old rims, which were 15s. Those are going on, and we're fixing to take this to the junkyard. And before I do, if you can see in there, the exhaust has come off the catalytic converter because the bolts are broken. I have some new ones, so I'm just going to reattach that, and we're going to take it down. But yeah, this is a quick end to a series where I wanted to have this for a daily and do the 4A FE swap on the Tercel and not have to worry about having a vehicle to drive. But this kind of lines up with a change of plans in the Tercel, so I'll be going over that in another video. But yeah, so say goodbye to the CL. It was fun while it lasted. Gave me something to do. Kind of a shame that it was a bit of a waste of money. I mean, the junkyard will give me something for it because it's still considered scrap metal and there's a catalytic converter on it. So it should be like 100, 200, something like that. Depends on what they want to give me.
So I didn't really record anything else for this video, but I thought I should explain what exactly happened to the CL, because in the one shot that I recorded, I didn't really explain what happened. So basically, the other day, like 2 days before I filmed the piece you just saw, I had finished all of the bodywork on the CL, and I thought it would be fun to take it for a quick drive down to the gas station and fill it up because it was low on gas. So I drove it there, and the car was feeling excellent. So when I got back up to like a closed road, I decided it'd be fun to do a burnout just to see what the car could do, just as like a celebratory thing. And I should point out that I did not check the oil at all in this car, and I did not realize that it actually had some oil burning problems. Basically, all I can discern is that it had like no oil in it, and I did a pretty good burnout. Kind of sad I didn't film it because it was actually pretty good. But anyways, to continue what happened, basically no oil, hard revs equals not fun. Cylinder number 4 had spun a bearing, and I heard that, so I stopped. And I thought, okay, time to get this home fast before anything bad happens. And I made it about halfway, and it threw a rod through the block. Now, I could have spent the time and money and put a new Honda F-Series motor in. It's not like they're hard to come by. But I was just not in the mood to deal with it anymore after that, so I decided to get rid of it. It's an unfortunate end to a project that I was kind of excited for, but like I said in the last clip there, it kind of lines up with a change in plans with something else that was going on, which I will get into in the next video. So yeah, sorry to anybody who was interested in this project, but yeah, things happen sometimes. You can't always predict these things. Anyways, until next time, guys. Peace out.
The motherfucking world is a ghetto, full of magazines, full clips, and heavy metal when the smoke settles. I'm just looking for a big yellow. In 6-inch stilettos, Dr. Dre. Hello. Percolating, keep 'em waiting while you sitting there hating. Your bitch is hyperventilating, hoping that we penetrating. You get snating, cause I never been to Satan. For hardcore administrating, gangbang affiliating. MC Winner had you wildin' off a zone and a whole half a gallon. Get the dialing, 911 emergency. You can tell him, it's my son, he's hurting me, and he's a felon. On parole for robbery, ain't no copping a plea. Ain't no stopping a G. I'm in the 6, you got to hop in the 3. Company monopoly, you handle shit.